Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news that bank leverage ratios are on regulators' minds. New Basel III rules will require banks to hold at least 3% of their assets as capital, a foolishly low level. That is, for every dollar shareholders have at risk, banks risk $32 of depositors and other liabilities. That new tighter requirement won't come until 2015 if BIS members vote on it. US regulators are horrified and are proposing a rate double the Basel rate, 6%. Bank of England officials don't want to wait till 2015 and want the new standard applying from now. From our local point of view, our banks are well above that standard. On average, for every dollar shareholders have at risk, depositors and other liabilities at risk are $11 here, about twice the proposed American standard. But the whole issue highlights two important points: how risky the big international banks are on which world trade depends are, and how effectively their lobbying has captured policy making at the BIS, which is supposed to be the central banker's bank. Back to the real world, US car sales in the June quarter picked up significantly and were the best in more than 5 years. This sign of American economic improvement was also being seen by key Fed members who now think the fiscal drag of tax increases in quarter one are behind them. However, bond investors are suffering as the prospect of higher interest rates is generating capital losses in their portfolios. American investors withdrew $80 billion from bond funds last month, $10 billion out of the big PIMCO fund alone. Rising rates are bad for bond investors. The money flows are to equity, and although in late trade today the Dow has shed early gains, it is now well below the 15,000 level. The oil price is much higher, but gold is sinking again. Prices in the latest Fonterra auction are stable, up just 0.7% from previous auction and holding the US dollar levels. In New Zealand dollars, we're recording a much larger 2% rise. New Zealand dollar starts today at 77.5 US cents, 84.8 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 73.8. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.